Welcome. In this video, we're walking through the simple and updated steps to post a photo on Facebook. Whether you're new to Facebook or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you share your favorite moments with friends and family in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, you'll land on your home screen or news feed. At the very top, you'll see the familiar question, "What's on your mind?" Tap on that box to create a new post. Next, tap the option that says Photo Video. This will take you straight to your phone's gallery. From here, browse through your camera roll and select the photo or photos you want to share. You can tap one image or several if you're creating an album or a post with multiple pictures. Once your photo is selected, you'll see a preview of it inside the Facebook post window. This is where you can get creative. Add a short caption to describe the moment, share a thought, or write something that fits the mood of your photo. If you'd like, you can also tag friends who are in the picture, add a location to show where it was taken, or even include emojis to make your post stand out. Before you hit post, take a quick look at your audience selector. That's the small icon under your name. You can adjust who can see your photo. Everyone, only friends, or just a custom list. Once your post looks perfect, tap Post at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Facebook will upload your photo, and within seconds, it'll appear on your timeline and your friends' feeds. Posting photos is one of the best ways to keep your memories alive and stay connected with the people who matter most. Now that you know the updated steps, go ahead and share your favorite moments on Facebook today. Thanks for watching.